My name is Shahagin and I'll be your gate agent this afternoon. It's a pleasure to welcome you on today's flight. We are expecting an on-time departure at 2:20 p.m. here at Bravo 20. Arrival time at 5:02 p.m. Arrival gate 8:15. During your flight time is 2 hours and 42 minutes. To help us with an on-time departure, we kindly ask that you remain seated until your boarding.
First plane ride. This is gonna be fun.
Are y'all excited?
Yeah! We're going to Boston. Let's go. There's our plane out there. So fun.
We're all set.
So fun.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
What are you most excited about?
Be in the air over the clouds.
Over the clouds?
We're going to Boston to see our cousins, Make sure to subscribe if you like the Braves.
Including mobile phones, should also be secured. Keep the aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas clear.
If you lose an electronic device in your seat, please do not adjust your seat and ask a crew member for help. As we leave the gate, fasten your seatbelt by inserting the metal tip into the buckle and adjusting the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release, lift the top of the buckle.
Stay seated with your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. And keep it fastened whenever you're seated in case of sudden rough air. They are in marked compartments at the front and rear of the plane. We'll distribute these vests if necessary.
Now, before we take off, bring your seat to its upright position and stow your tray table. Be sure you fasten your seatbelt low and tight across your lap. Secure your carry-on items and put your armrests at resting position. Finally, take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat pocket.
As we finish our safety check, please let us know if you have any questions.
As we get ready for takeoff, please settle in. And from all of our crew, thank you for flying with Delta.
Are we in the area?
We're just taxiing. We're just riding real slow, just like driving a car.
We're offering fast, free Wi-Fi on today's flight. Switch your device.
Okay. Shows me that we're moving. Moving. Show that there's a plane in front of us.
But there's our path. That's what we're doing.
Yeah, that's where we're going. So we're gonna fly straight. Yeah. imagine we went here all the way to Fort Wayne, all the way. We're not in the plane, we're in a jet plane. A normal plane couldn't go that as far as we're going.
Oh, look, we're in line to have another plane. They're going to take off first.
We're about to take off. Yeah, they were about to take off, I bet.
You see them going?
Yeah. This so I can see. I'm trying to watch.
Go. We're going to go behind them.
Wait, we're about to be in here. We're in here. Yeah, we're going to be going even faster when we are in the air. Yeah, we're in the clouds. We're going like 5 Gs right now. We're at 6. Oh my gosh. Yo. I'm recording, yeah.
Hey, boys. We made it. Keep walking.
I feel like I'm walking on a normal ground.
Anyway, they have been waiting all day to see everybody.
Yeah, Tristan's running. He'll be back.
Oh, he's
How
running?
was it? How was it? Are you excited?